Bloodstone. What is bloodstone? Bloodstone is a dark green variety of chalcedony adorned with a splatter of bright red. It has been a popular gemstone for at least 2000 years and has served as the modern birthstone for the month of March since 1912. Bloodstone is sometimes referred to as heliotrope by European authors and it in works of the 18th century and earlier. As a member of the chalcedony family, bloodstone is a cryptocrystalline quartz. It inherits from that a conchoidal fracture and a hardness of approximately 7 on the Mohs scale. However, the hardness of bloodstone is usually slightly lower at about 6.5. The lower hardness and opaque diaphanity are attributed to included mineral matter of at least several percent on the basis of weight. Tiny inclusions of chlorite, amphibole and pyroxene are thought to contribute to the green base colors of bloodstone. The splashes of red are concentrations of iron oxide minerals, most likely The most highly regarded bloodstone has a solid base color of deep forest green. On top of that is a light splatter of sharply contrasting and clearly visible blood red dots. They are arranged in a spray or a random pattern as if they were blood spatter. Specimens with this preferred color scheme and pattern are rare. Some people relate this color pattern to the blood of Christ and give it a religious significance. That is where the name bloodstone and some of the gem's popularity are derived.